Good morning, everyone. Just waking up, camping inside my Prius in the desert in Arizona, and spring is just hitting, and it is a very beautiful time to be in the desert. And today, me and Shannon are going hiking up a really awesome desert and mountain range just outside of Phoenix called the Superstition Mountains. We are going to be climbing to the top of Superstition Mountain itself. It looks like it's going to be a very hard hike, but it's also going to be very rewarding and beautiful, and I'm excited, and I hope you come with us. So here is my campsite right here. Come on. Yeah, there she is. It is a very beautiful day, and it's going to be a hot day, I can tell. Look at all these crazy cactuses everywhere. Look at that cactus spur stuck on the side of my tire. So there's a cow right there. It's actually a bull. It's got some pretty big horns. So funny story, last night I was camping in this area also, and I woke up to Shannon barking, and all of a sudden I heard something walking around my car, and I figured it was just a person, and I looked out the window, and it was actually a herd of cows that had like surrounded my car. And Shannon was like freaking out. She didn't know what it was. And then all of a sudden my car starts shaking. One of the cows had like put its head against like the front bumper or something and like started like shaking my car. So yeah, if you go camping in the desert, beware of the cows roaming around everywhere. All right, so it's already 10:30. I'm running a little late, but here I was just gonna show you guys my new pack and the stuff that I bring with me when I go hiking. So basically, I recently got a bunch of new hiking and backpacking gear, and for my pack, I wanted a pack that I could use for everything. I did like hours of research online, and this is the pack I got. It's called the REI Trail 40. It's 40 liters. I use this bag for everything. It's my gym bag, my library bag. I use it for hiking, and I'm gonna use it for backpacking soon. Here I'll show you the kind of stuff I bring with me when I go on really long day hikes like I'm about to go on. So I always bring 2 water bottles. This is a quart each, so that's like half a gallon of water. And then inside here I love this pack because it opens like this. It completely zips open fully like that. This is my hiking jacket. It compresses into its own pocket. We're gonna be going up high in the mountains, and it gets pretty cold up there. These are actually pant legs for my shorts that I have on. I bought multiple pairs of convertible pants because they're really handy for hiking, and like I said, it might get cold up there. This is a really cool super ultralight dog bowl. I got it at KFC. Basically, I bought some macaroni and cheese, and I kept the bowl afterwards. It even says KFC reusable, and it is so lightweight. It's really great for hiking and backpacking. This is my drone, and this is my drone controller. I'm just bringing a little bit of trail mix, one little Cliff Bar type thing. Here's my drone landing pad, and here we go. Yeah. This is a big bowl right here. So yeah, one thing I love about the desert is that there is always pretty much like unlimited free camping. All right, so we're almost there. Those are the mountains right there, the Superstition Mountains. Oh yeah, just the road going back here is awesome. All right, here is the trailhead.
Your destination is on the left.
Thank you. And we are off, and that is Superstition Peak right there. That is what we are going to attempt to climb. I don't know if I have enough time, but just look at how amazing this is. This is such an awesome spot. So like I said, spring is hitting. Look at all of these beautiful wildflowers everywhere.
I absolutely love it. Look at that. So these are prickly pear cactuses, a whole bunch of them. Now the cactuses, from my understanding, they bloom more in the summer. It's only springtime, but the wildflowers are blooming. Look at these.
All right, so this hike is a 33 or almost a 3,400 foot incline. That mountain up there is right over 5,000 feet, and we're at under 2,000 feet down here, and that's a big incline. So this is going to be a really hard hike. Oh yeah, it's so cool because these are mountains, but there's still cactuses everywhere. All right, now it's starting to get into the climbing part, which is usually the part people hate the most, and it is exhausting. But if you just look out here, it is so freaking amazing. I enjoy it. I absolutely love it. And it's good exercise. Oh yeah, the views are just going to get better and better the higher we climb. So we've gone about 1.6 miles now. All right, we have made it up a little bit further. But yeah, this is a brutal climb. Man, there's all kinds of steep and sharp rocks. I am not gonna like going downhill. Look at these rocks. This is so cool. Excellent view. All right, so me and Shannon are taking a much needed water break. What are you doing over there? Come on. Let's get some water. Come on, let's get some water. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, get some more. That KFC bowl works well. Beautiful, beautiful day today. It's hard to believe that it's dropping into the 30s at night in the camping areas. Last night I woke up and it was freezing. I looked at my thermometer and it said like 37 degrees outside. I don't know if we're going to be able to summit the Superstition peak. We'll see. We'll get some good views either way. We are going to be climbing up this canyon right here. There we go. There's some cactuses blooming. That's the first ones I've seen. I can't wait to see the cactuses this summer blooming. Wow, look at this. Is it hot out here? Yeah. Oh yeah, we made it to the top of this summit right here. So right there, that little intersection right there, that's the parking lot where my car is. We just hiked up this canyon and now we're right here and we can overlook right here. And I think that is Superstition Mountain. Shannon is the best hiking dog ever. Come on, you got it. I've seen her climb up incredible climbs. Yeah. Come on.
Oh, here's one of these plants. I forget what they're called. I'm sorry if I mislabel it. What is it, the yucca plant? I don't know. Very cool plant. Got the tall, skinny thing. So here we are. I have lost the trail like literally like 5 times because it's sometimes almost impossible to find. But thank you to the All Trails app. It shows me my GPS coordinates. So that was where we came to the top, and we just hiked around this whole canyon side. Here we go. This is what I wanted to get to. Beautiful views up here. So there is Superstition Mountain. I don't know if we're gonna make it. I am pretty tired already. I need more water. I mean, we're almost out of water. I should have brought a 3rd quart. All right, it is snack time. I normally bring an apple, and like apples, granola bars, peanut butter, and trail mix. Those are my favorite snacks for the trail. Bananas are good too. What is it? So this is really cool to me because I'm in the mountains and I'm in the desert at the same time. Usually it's like one or the other, but yeah, desert mountains are definitely pretty cool. Someone's screaming out there. All right, so All Trails is telling me that we have hiked about 2.9 miles, an elevation gain of 1,558 feet. That is in 2.5 hours. And it looks like, based look on the map, it looks like we're only about halfway up to the peak. The peak kind of disappeared over this hill. Now we got to do a lot more uphill climbing. This is going to be pretty exhausting. We just came from down this way. And yeah, we have like about 1,500 feet more of an incline in the next mile or so. So yeah, All Trails has this trail rated as hard, and I definitely see why. We're almost there. I hope. It looks a lot closer anyway. So we just hiked up pretty far again. I just met a pretty cool guy that was from Tennessee. He was backpacking out here, and that's what I want to do. I know the trail keeps going past Superstition Mountain along the ridgeline. It's so cool. There's tons of trails in this wilderness. This is an awesome place. I highly suggest it. Yeah, I might come back out here and do a little bit of backpacking. So some more steep climbing. Whew. Whew. Pretty cool ledge right here. Climbed up a little bit more. And I'm getting tired like every few hundred feet, but we are almost at the top, and just wait for it. It's going to be amazing, I can tell. Rounding the turn, and we're going up here. Whew. Let's see what's over this hill. Finally on the main ridgeline. All right, so actually there's 2 mountain peaks here. If I go right, it goes to Superstition Mountain. If I go left, it goes to Three Sisters Mountain. But I think I'm gonna go right because this whole wilderness is named after Superstition Mountain. It's called the Superstition Wilderness, and it just looks awesome. So let's do it. Here we go. I love ridge lines. Look at the trail. It goes right here. It like zigzags up this mountain and up right there. How cool is that? Oh yeah, this was so worth that long, brutal hike to get up here. Almost there. Here are those big rocks that you kept seeing in the distance. I can't believe we made it up. I wasn't sure if I was gonna climb the whole thing. I can see the light. We are climbing up these big rocks right here. So this should be it right here. All right, 400 feet. Wow, this last little bit, this is the hardest part. Finally at the summit. Superstition Mountain. This is the peak right here. Whew. Incredible view, 5,062 feet. It says on the All Trails app that we have gone 5.07 miles, 2,995 foot elevation gain, 4 hours and 19 minutes. Yeah, that was like 5 miles of like all uphill. Man, that was brutal. Now I'm going to get some good drone shots. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I sure did. And I would hang out up here and watch the sunset, but we've got 5 miles left to hike back down to the parking lot way down there. All right, here we are the next morning. We made it safely back. If you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it. I want to make more videos about like hiking adventures and stuff like that. And if you have any kind of advice or constructive criticism on how I can improve my channel, especially kind of like the titles of my videos and the thumbnails and stuff, I would really appreciate it. I know that's kind of random, but you know, a lot of my vlogs in the past got very few views and I don't understand why, but this is what I love doing. So yeah, thanks a lot, and I will see you in the next video.